Welcome to CR Lawrence Quick Tips. Today we'll be using the shower door hardware 7-bit driver. We're going to rotate the hinge from a 90-degree position to 5 degrees. First, take the 7-bit driver and rotate the hinge. Make sure the screws are facing up. And using a number 3-bit, we're going to remove the faceplate. With that removed, we're going to take our 2.5mm Allen wrench and loosen the set screws. About 1 full rotation should do. Next, drop the plate, rotate it to bring it around, and put it back in. Make sure your washers and grommets are in place, then tighten everything back up. Now, we will use the number 3-bit to tighten the screws. There you have it. The hinge is now at the 5-degree position.